Hello everyone, Ross here again with another video. This one showing Silver Maple Farms in Cochranville PA starting their corn harvest. Right along busy Route 10, as you can see. And I happened to be there while he was making the first pass there right along the road. I'm sure there were some cars that thought he was headed right for him. So yeah, just video of the combine running, shelling corn, grain cart moving it away, and then a truck or two sitting in the field. Nothing special, but thanks to the Engel family of Silver Maple for letting me shoot some footage there on the same day that I was on my way to shoot the footage of another video I just posted of the King Farms chopping corn silage. So things are moving fast in eastern PA with the dry weather. So yeah, corn silage is soon to be done, if not done now, and everybody will be full swing into the corn harvest. So yep, thanks for watching once again, and stop back. I'll be posting more videos.